three learnings that you would give, or three learnings that you have had till date that you feel every trainer should know.
I think I think, so these are my learnings, so each its own. So, first is I think I should know myself very well. I should spend time with myself, and when I mean I should spend time with myself, it's not on WhatsApp or Facebook. I mean, genuinely, doing assessments, reading books, spending, capturing your thoughts, understanding, taking feedback from people. I genuinely till date also, I always take feedback. I always check with people, how was it? What was it? I always seek feedback. जैसे बिकॉज वो हमारा हमको मालूम होना चाहिए. I need to know my blind spot. In fact, you'll be surprised that I got in when I started my career. A lot of feedback we used to take, and a lot of feedbacks where people wrote and they say, and I used to just leave a column, any other comment or any other suggestion, like most of the trainers would do. We analyze of all the comments that we are getting. 90% of the comments were mythology stories are amazing. So we also got a lot of confidence from the feedback that what we are thinking, we're on the right path. It's challenging, it's tough, but I think you need to be open. And if anyone criticizes you, I think that he's your best friend. Take that feedback. ले लो, मानो नहीं मानो. So I always say, सुनना तुम्हारा हक है, मानो नहीं, सुनना तुम्हारा फर्ज है, मानो नहीं मानो तुम्हारा हक है, but सुनना तो पड़ेगा. So first is be open to that. Second is, I feel you have to be very disciplined. Very, very disciplined. Our industry is very complacent. I know a couple of trainers जो उन लोग बोलते कि ठीक है 8-10 दिन काम करेंगे, लाख रुपया कमा लेंगे. It is not about money. It is about 30 days. What are you doing in those 30 days? So for me and Roy, my target is never money. My target is the number of days. How many days am I engaged? How many days am I executing? That is more important for me. Rather than just sitting at home and on being WhatsApp, it doesn't make any sense to me. I'm not saying you do a low budget workshop. हर एक pricing होता है. There's no low budget, no high budget. Everyone works as per the budget. In fact, if you're charging 1 lakh rupees for a workshop, I'm sure someone else was charging 2 lakh rupees for that workshop also. So किसी ना किसी का market कोई ना कोई किधर ना किधर हमेशा खराब होता ही है. वो सब thought process में मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ. But you have 30 days. Remove 4 Sunday. मैं तो Sunday भी काम कर लेता हूँ. Mythological housey खिला देता हूँ लोगों को. So I will take sessions on that also. But because you have to work, discipline. Because when you see money, when you see success, वो जहर का फेस चला जाता है, आपको लक्ष्मी मिलती है, लोग खुश हो जाते हैं. बट वो समुद्र मंथन में जहर आता है, फिर लक्ष्मी आती है, और उसके बाद अमृत आता है. So पैसा तो आ गया. Now don't get complacent. Work on yourself. So that would be the second. Third, I believe is that start selling yourself. You need to sell. India has a population of 1.3 crores. अगर इंडिया में नहीं बेचा तो किधर बेचा? A lot of time people in these 2-3 months of lockdown also, people have said काम नहीं है. I don't spend time with such people. Boss, तेरे पास, it's not that work is not there. Everyone is struggling. But if you're gonna crib 24 hours, work is not there. ना वो काम आएगा ही नहीं. बचपन में भी कहानी हमने सुनी थी. If you are spending time with people who feel there is no business, you will also have no business because you are used to those thought process. I hang out with only those trainers, those people who feel there is potential, who feel there is market, who feel that we can sell, and that is where sale happens. So your company matters a lot, and you need to sell. I work with trainers who are very positive. Market खराब है, सबके लिए खराब है, आपके लिए, मेरे लिए भी खराब है. But still we are working because, and most of the trainers I know, I know Ganesh pretty well, he's doing good. Ajit is doing good, Sham is doing good. There are so many trainers, IDs, what do you call, Learners Conclave is helping so many people. Sharad is doing good, but all these trainers that I've seen, one positive point is that they're positive, one common point, is that they're positive. कि करना है, हाथ पैर मारो, modules बनाओ, पढ़ो, लिखो, networking करो, and use social media very beautifully, So if you go through my entire, account or page, there's no political post, there's no religious post, because it's like garbage in, garbage out. It should be only positive. People should feel positive connected to you. So that is what I think, Yeah.
All right, great. So just to consolidate or summarize, 3 points. First one is feedback. Second one is be disciplined. And third one is start selling yourself.
Correct. Sorry, add one more. Don't stop learning.
Okay. And don't stop learning.
Yeah, whatever happens, don't stop learning.
All right. So
I'm sure there is a lot that you have learned through this video. In case you are a learning and development professional or a learner, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learners Conclave, and click the bell icon to be the first to know of new videos.